Greetings dear learners, this is Dr. Steffi, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Microbiology, Kaveri College for Women, Trichy. In this module 1, we will be discussing about the types and the classification of microbes, a overview. Microbiology is a study of microorganisms. They are too small to be seen by means of naked eyes. They may be unicellular, multicellular or acellular. Anthony Philip van Leeuwenhoek was a Dutch businessman and scientist in the golden age of Dutch science and technology. A largely self-taught man in science, he is commonly known as the father of microbiology and one of the first microscopists and microbiology. Now let us see about the types of microbes in detail. First comes the virus. It is an infective agent that typically consists of a nucleic acid molecule in a protein coat, and it is too small to be seen by light microscopy, and it is able to multiply only within the living cells of a host. Next comes the bacteria. It is a member of a large group of unicellular organisms which have cell walls but lack organelles and an organized nucleus, including some that cause diseases. The third one is protozoa. It is a phylum or group of phyla which comprises the single-cell microscopic animals, which includes amoebas, flagellums, ciliates and sporozoans and many other forms. They are now usually treated as a number of phyla belonging to the kingdom Protista. Next comes the algae. It is a simple, non-flowering and typically aquatic plant of a large group of microbes which includes seaweeds and many other single-cell forms. Algae contain chlorophyll and it lacks true stem, roots, leaves and vascular tissues. Finally comes the fungi. It is a group of spore-producing organisms which is feeding on organic matter including mold, yeast, mushrooms and others. Now let us see the classification of microbes. The classification of microbes is based on the following features. The number 1 is cellular composition, the morphology, the mean of locomotion and finally the reproduction. So depending upon these factors, the microorganisms are classified. Now in this slide we will be seeing about the benefits of microbes. Number 1 is they stimulate the existing soil microbes. Next is they establish improved bioenergy foundation. They improve nutrient and water efficiencies, reduce disease and stress problems, improve soil aggregation and biodiversity, and finally they enhance rooting and soil aeration. Coming to the classification of microbes, it is of 3 types, namely Haeckel's 3-kingdom concept, Carl Wohl's 3-domain system and Whittaker's 5-kingdom concept. Now let us see the 3-kingdom system of classification. Ernest Haeckel in 1860s developed the 3-kingdom system of classification, which includes Kingdom Animalia, Kingdom Plantae and Kingdom Protista. Kingdom Animalia includes all animals, Kingdom Plantae includes all plants, and finally Kingdom Protista has unicellular organisms. The 3-domain system was discovered by Carl Wohl's, Otto Handler and Mark Weaves in 1990. It divides the cellular life forms in 3 domains which includes archaea, bacteria and eukaryote. The 5-kingdom system of classification was discovered by Whittaker in the year 1969, which includes Kingdom Plantae, Kingdom Animalia, Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista and Kingdom Fungi. Now let us have a small recap. In this module, we discussed about the introduction about microbiology, the types of microorganisms and the classification of microorganisms, which includes Haeckel's 3-kingdom, Carl Wohl's 3-domain and Whittaker's 5-kingdom concept. Dear learners, thank you for your patience listening. We will meet up soon in the next module.